So I'm all set up here now. I got a couple holes drilled, as you can see. I'm already marking a fish right in the bottom. Looks like a good mark. I'm going to drop down my wax worm on my ultralight rod. It's coming up for it. Let's see if it grabs it. Odds are this is a sunfish, but there's some good ones in here. Finally just caught the first fish. This little bluegill. Okay, so I just found some fish finally. As you can see, we're right... Oh, there's one. Yeah. Not exactly what we're looking for, but I'll take it. I'm probably just gonna catch and release today, but maybe unless we catch a few decent crappie. But as you can see, we're right next to the shore here, and I was right next to the shore on the other side of this bay. On the other side of this bay, right behind me over there, and I wasn't catching them. I marked a few, but they weren't really biting. But I kind of thought maybe if you go over next to the spring, you can see like the water's open right there, or there's a natural spring coming from the hill over there. And I thought there might have been some fish, and sure enough, I drilled a hole and there's fish marked all over the place down here. That was another hit. I missed him, but there's some more fish down there. There's still some fish here. Looks like one's coming up for it right now. Oh yeah. There's one. Not a big one, but he's fighting. Nice little bluegill. Okay. I'm not, like I said, I'm not keeping any of these today, but that's a decent one. I don't know if you can see this on the contour, but there's my jig right there, and it's going down, and here's the fish down here. They're blinking, and see, they're shooting up. They just shot up from all the way from the bottom. Oh, I missed him. There's a bunch of them down there. There's one. This might be bigger. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at that one. That's a good sunfish. Okay, let's go ahead and drop it back down there and see if we can get another one. I've been here for about an hour and a half, and I just found them. Here they come. Oh, I got a hit. Might have taken my wax worm. Nope, wax worm's still on there. I'll go ahead and fix it real quick. They're just smoking this thing. As you can see, I have this Forage Fry, it's called, jig. And it's kind of a different bait. It's like it shows more of a side profile, a horizontal profile, rather than like a small, like, compact jig. There's another one. Oh my gosh, another good one. They usually say is once you get the first few, then they start biting like crazy, and as you can see, they are on fire. Got him. Oh, this is a good one. That's another big one. Maybe it's not that big. It's alright. Oh yeah, not bad. There's one. Might be a little bit better. There's a decent one. There's a decent one. I think I'm gonna put a new wax worm on there now. We're just gonna drop that down the hole. See what I do? I just hook it once through the head. I flip it around, and I hook them right through the middle of the body, just like that. And then it sticks off the body, just like that. Here's a nice little sunfish. Oh man, I can't grab it. There you go. There you go. There's a fish. This is a good one. He's a fighter. Ooh, there's a good one. Oh yes. Look at that one. There's a big one. There's some big sunfish here. Oh man. They're not biting it enough. I got kind of a big wax worm on here. There we go. This is a smaller one. Maybe not that small. There's another one. Oh, this one's a fighter. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at this sunfish. Or bluegill, sorry. What a freaking stud. Look at that thing. Now, if that's not my new record, lengthwise, it's definitely my record, like, weight, I guess, wise. It looks like it's just on 8.5 inches. So, I mean, tied my record, but still. Oh, it looks like it's just barely over 8.5. I don't know if you can see that there. But what a beast. Look at this. That's just ridiculous. There he goes. Well guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I decided to spend a little more time on the editing and recording on this video. I thought I'd just step up my videos a little bit more for everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one.